We're here at the Stone Bar Nursery, and this tree right here in front of us has a little bird in it. There's actually two trees there. One is living and one is dead. The dead tree attracts lots of birds. I have never seen a bird in the living tree, but that dead tree right there always, day long, has birds sitting in it. And the reason for that is quite simple. The bird likes that open area because it gets a better view of what's going on. And it's for protection and also so that it can hunt for food and it can see better. And you'll see that tree has a lot of birds attracted to it. And so you can see a dead tree in your yard can actually have benefits for the birders. We're here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. We have a lot of nursery stock. We also allow birders to come and look for birds. We have many kinds of birds here at Highland Hill. We see ospreys, eagles. We've seen the cricket sparrow. So there's a lot of interesting birds here for you to come view. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. Thank you. And here we are about 5 minutes later. A bird is back again. Same tree, approximately the same spot. They are creatures of habit. This is a blood-good maple with a young juvenile robin perched in this tree. Birds love perches in trees. You can see his color on the bird is not fully developed yet. At Highland Hill Farm, we have a lot of different kinds of trees for you. We have both deciduous and evergreen. Some of the spruces that we have are like Colorado blue spruce, Norway spruce, white spruce, Serbian, Black Hill spruce, black spruce. We also have some firs, such as Fraser, Balsam, Douglas, and Concolor. Most of these are in seedling or transplants. We do have larger trees such as white pine, Norway spruce. We also sell a whole range of arborvitaes in many different sizes, from transplants up to large trees. The trees that we sell are both bare root and balled and burlapped and potted. We have thousands of them that we grow. We also have southwestern white pine, and we are noted for our green giant arborvitaes and Leland cypresses. We also have hemlocks up to 10 to 12 foot high, along with redwoods. We can also supply you with some bald cypress, larch, eastern red cedar. In the way of shrubs, we have arrowwood viburnums, bayberry, blackhaw viburnums, a whole range of viburnums, dogwoods, red, twig, silky dogwoods, elderberries. We also have forsythia, common lilacs, Japanese lilacs, Peking lilacs. We also have nannyberry, ninebark, and things such as Russian olive, which some people think is invasive. But we do sell a wide range of trees and shrubs, including winterberry holly. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 as we do deliver and plant.